Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright y'all, this is my first actual meal post-retirement. Y'all know I just retired after 34 years on my job. Now I'm just fit to hit this old school soul food ministry head on 120%. Even harder than I worked on my other job. I'm still so energized and fired up. I'm going to do this one for another 34 years. So I'll retire at about 88 years old, y'all. So anyway, I'll be doing this till I'm 88. So y'all be listening to some old school soul food for another 34 years here. So anyway, y'all, let's get started here. This is going to be my first actual meal. I did a Friday night cake of the week, but that was actually on a work day. This is a day I'm having to work. It's a Saturday. And I'm going to show y'all how I do a quick burger in the skillet. Like my mom used to do it. We didn't have no fancy flat top grill like I show y'all sometime. We did in the skillet. I'm going to cook the meat in the skillet. I got venison hamburger meat right here. And then I got my Texas size hamburger bun. I got my lettuce, tomatoes, onions, no cheese. I don't want no cheese. I'm going to put some Miracle Whip and mustard. Don't judge me on the Miracle Whip. I love Miracle Whip on a burger. So I'm going to get everything prepped up, sliced up, fabricated. I'm going to come back. I got a big skillet here. A skillet I've had for about 20 years. I only use it for burgers and when I go camping with my friends, I use it for my campfire. But it's perfect for burgers. I usually cook burgers on the campfire out in the woods. So I'll tell you that later on when I come back. Anyway, let me get things cooked, fabricated off, and we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Now I got my my condiments there for my vegetables for my burger. Now I got my skillet heating up here. Y'all see this old skillet right here? This skillet, look at it, had been a lot of miles on. You can see that campfire heat there. When we go camping, I don't go camping as much as I used to, but that was my campfire skillet to do my hamburgers and my eggs over easy in the morning, scrambled eggs in the morning, pancakes, all that. Tough skillet. I've had it over 20 years. So I'm going to do this for my burgers because I don't care how it messes up the skillet or nothing like that. See, it is a tough skillet. So I'm going to flip this over. This is the other side here. All I'm putting is salt and pepper and cabinet, y'all. So that's what I love on my burgers here. Okay, I'll move y'all over here to the skillet here. Okay, now all we're going to do is put the burgers right here in the skillet. Good and hot. We're going to cook them. I like my burger medium. If you like them well done, you cook them longer. It's going to take 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Get a nice color on them, and we're going to come back. And in the same skillet I'm cooking the meat, I'm going to brown the buns right in. Of course, I'm going to take some of the grease off. There's not a lot of grease in this because this is venison, y'all. There's not a lot of liquid. It's not a lot of grease, fat in venison. So, yeah, I'm going to sear it off on cook it off on each side. I'm going to cook them all directly off in the skillet. And I got my Texas size, look at that. Texas size hamburger bun. These some big hamburger buns, y'all. And I'm going to put some little butter in the skillet there. I'm going to brown the buns off in the skillet, toast it off on both sides. You gotta, when you do a hamburger, you got to cook the buns off on both sides, y'all. That's a pet peeve of mine. Yeah, on both sides. And then after that, we'll put this thing together. I'm going to put mayonnaise on one side, mustard on one side. And y'all see how I do my hamburger condiments? I like to jute in the lettuce, chop up the onions, tomatoes, and pickles. Because you know why I do that? It eats better. You ever eat a hamburger with a tomato so thick, you bite in, the whole tomato come out, and the onion the same thing? That's a very pet peeve of mine. Like I told you, if I ever was to open a restaurant, a burger place, that's one thing I would do. The condiments would be chopped. So when you bite in there, you got a evenly distribution of the onions, lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles, and jalapenos if you like that. So anyway, y'all, I'll be right back when I flip this over. Old school soul food. Old school, what do you call this? Old school skillet hamburger. One of them old school hamburgers. They don't make them like this no more. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, let me flip these over again. flip there. Nice color on them. See that? And these are 8-ounce burgers. That was a pound of meat. I made 2 burgers out of a pound of meat. So each burger here is an 8-ounce burger here. Yeah. But there ain't nothing better than a good old burger in the skillet, y'all. Of course, on the grill is nice, but sometimes you don't want to be lighting the grill. You got a couple of burgers. This way they did it sometimes. Of course, this way my mom did it a lot. You didn't have no fancy flat top grill, nothing like that. Just put it right in the skillet. Cook them right in the skillet. Take the skillet out. Put the buns in there. Warm the buns up. Shoot. Old school burger, y'all. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. Once I take these out and put my buns in, we're going to put this burger together. I am starving, y'all. So anyway, we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Okay, y'all, I'm going to take these here. Put in the plate here and kind of set it to the side. Y'all remember those buns here that I got right there? Look at them nice buns there. Take a little of this oil. Drain some of this oil out. Okay. Got that oil still heating up. Now all I'm going to do, y'all, I got these buns here. Pull them apart. Y'all can't see that because y'all looking at the fire over there. A little butter in the buns here. See that butter there? Let's put the bun right down, y'all. Bun right there. Say, if you're gonna eat a burger, y'all. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna eat a burger, eat a burger. Don't half-step it. Right. Like I was saying, y'all, I like to get the bun browning on both sides. I'm gonna brown them on both sides. When they brown on one side, I'm gonna flip it over. And then we're gonna build this burger. Here to build a barrel, we're gonna build a burger. Okay. Kind of keep an eye on it. It will brown quick on you. Like kind of move them around here so they'll brown evenly. But anyway, y'all, we'll be right back here. Okay, y'all, the buns is ready. And I'm gonna move y'all over here, and then we're gonna put the buns right on the. Turn this off. Put the buns right on the counter here. Look at that there. It's a burger there, y'all. With them buns. See how they brown they are? Nice and buttery. Now, I like to put my mayonnaise on the bottom. Of course, you can put on both sides. My mayonnaise on the bottom tight. I like a lot of mayonnaise on my burger. To each his own, right? Okay. Y'all see this? Oh yeah, y'all see it way off. Okay, now. Put my lettuce here. Put my tomatoes. Oh yeah, I got a friend here who want a hamburger, y'all. They waiting on me. Get that down. Alright. Now I'm going to put mustard on the top here. Put that meat there. Get my hamburger meat here. Put it right here. Right there. Put it on top of there. Look at that. Ooh my God. You got to smash it down too. You hear the smash burger. We invented smash burger. Okay, now remember back in the day? Hold on, y'all. I'm in y'all way. Hold on. You had you put that paper around there. Look at that. Put that toothpick in there. Give me that plate there. Let me get one more here. Y'all don't remember this. I know that all y'all don't remember this wax paper around them burgers in the restaurants. Y'all don't remember this. Y'all don't remember these kind of burgers, do you? Look at that. Them burgers there, y'all. You can't get that in Whataburger, In-N-Out, Burger King. Can't get that. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to be right back. I know I got to take a thumbnail of this. I'm gonna be right back, and we're gonna try these old school skillet hamburgers in just a second. Be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Look at this here. Look at that, nice and juicy. You see, it's good to have that wax paper on there, because this thing is juicy, y'all. Wish y'all was here to help me enjoy it. Look at that. Give y'all one more good look close there. Look at that. Take a big bite of there. This thing is so juicy. And the crunch from the bun when you toast it. I find it's good to, I don't know how people serve burgers on cold hamburger buns. I just don't get it. When I go to Whataburger or Dairy Queen or something, I tell them, well, I ask them, toast the bun on both sides. If not, you're going to get a cold hamburger bun. And it just ruins the whole burger. And like I said, when I cut up the condiments, you get a whole enjoyment of lettuce, tomato, and pickles in every bite. Even. Hold on, y'all. I get me something to drink. Wow. And there's nothing more healthy, really, than a venison burger. Very lean, very flavorful. Yeah. But anyway, let me close this video out for my friends here. He won't waiting on his burger. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, help others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.